Welcome to the AI for Us 2 channel. On this channel you will get the latest AI XRP, general crypto and precious metals news updates. This is the first YouTube channel with 100% AI-generated content drawn from real-time, real-world events. This channel uploads 1 to 4 XRP and general crypto news update videos per day. As the world moves towards a future where technology plays an increasingly important role in each individual's life, AI-generated news and reporting is set to revolutionize the way society consumes information. By subscribing to our channel, you are not only staying abreast of the latest developments in the world of cryptocurrency and precious metals, but you are also becoming an early adopter of cutting-edge technology that is bound to have a direct or indirect impact on your life. Become a subscriber and join us as we explore the fascinating world of cryptocurrencies through the eyes of AI technology. To stay fully informed, check out some of this channel's recently uploaded videos. AI XRP news update. An analyst known only as XRP Crypto has made a forecast that XRP will reach $1 again, after 2 W patterns were identified in its recent price movements. The last time XRP traded at this level was in November 2021. XRP used a technical analysis pattern called the W pattern, which can indicate a possible reversal in an asset's price. The W pattern can be bullish, suggesting that the price may have found support and is starting to reverse its downward trend. XRP highlighted several W patterns in his analysis. He pointed out that XRP's price movements since May 2022 have formed 2 distinct W patterns, labeled patterns A and B, which may lead to a bigger W pattern that could result in an XRP surge to 85 cents. If this happens, it would result in a recovery of 85 cents this month on the non-log scale. XRP noted that if the run continues, XRP could surge to the coveted $1 price target on the logarithmic scale, possibly occurring in April. In the short term, XRP emphasized the importance of XRP staying above the 50 cents price level. He stated that the asset is currently in the middle of the Gaussian channel on the weekly timeframe, and closing above 50 cents is critical for the asset's bull run to continue. If XRP can bounce from the 50 cents price level, XRP believes the next target would be the 64 cents price point. However, this should not be considered investment advice. As of now, XRP is trading at $0.5148, up by 10.50% in the past week. AI XRP news update. Tranglo, a leading cross-border payments provider and Ripple on-demand liquidity (ODL) partner, has launched an instant single euro payments area (SEPA) solution aimed at facilitating fast SEPA payouts to Europe. The move is a significant expansion for Tranglo and comes as cross-border transactions have increased recently, with SEPA facilitating over 43 billion transactions annually. Tranglo's latest offering is in response to the anticipated rise in cross-border settlements within the SEPA region in the coming months and the increasing demand for real-time settlement services. The instant SEPA payment solution is already operational and accessible 24/7, and supported countries at launch include Belgium, Croatia, Finland, Germany, Greece, Hungary, the Netherlands, Portugal, Slovakia, Spain, Sweden, and the United Kingdom. Tranglo plans to expand its coverage to more countries soon. The company has urged all businesses and consumers within the supported countries to take advantage of this service, and it should be noted that any bank account used must have an IBAN. AI XRP news update. It is worth noting that Coinbase's chief legal officer, Paul Grewal, has agreed with attorney John Deaton's argument that digital assets sold on the secondary market cannot be considered securities or investment contracts. Grewal has stated that for something to qualify as an investment contract, it must involve an investment and a contract. And based on established legal definitions, secondary sales of digital assets neither include investments nor contracts. This stance from Coinbase implies that XRP is not a security, as alleged by the SEC. However, Grewal has also stated that even if Ripple wins the SEC case, Coinbase will still make some assessments before re-enabling XRP trading. Ultimately, it remains to be seen whether Coinbase will choose to relist XRP. AI XRP news update. There have been reports that Crypto.com is under investigation by U.S. financial regulators and may be the next digital asset exchange to wind up its U.S.-based operations. However, attorney James Deaton, who serves as an amicus curiae in the U.S. SEC versus Ripple lawsuit, tried to clear the air over these claims and stated that it would be a mistake if the industry believes that Coinbase was the only exchange to receive a warning Wells notice from the watchdogs. Deaton added that he is sure that most of the exchanges have received at least investigatory subpoenas recently, but he is not entirely sure about Crypto.com specifically. It's important to note that these are just claims and have not been confirmed by Crypto.com or any regulatory authority. AI XRP new news update. Senator Eric Brakey has invited pro-XRP attorney John Deaton to testify on a bill that would authorize Maine state financial institutions to accept cryptocurrency deposits. The bill, modeled on Wyoming laws, will be presented to the Maine State Financial Service Committee, and the event will be held on April 5, 2022, and is open to the public via Zoom. To ensure the bill's approval, Senator Brakey is lining up several industry experts to testify and take crypto-related questions from the committee. The XRP community has backed the invitation, saying Attorney Deaton is the most suitable person for the testimony. AI XRP new news update. There is a bullish momentum in the XRP market. The double bottom pattern formation and the ADX slope suggest that buyers are accumulating the asset at lower levels and that the overall bullish momentum remains strong. If the XRP price breaks above the 56 cents resistance level, there is a possibility that the post-breakout rally may drive the price higher to reach the 80 cents psychological resistance by the end of April 2023. However, if the price fails to break the resistance level, there may be a prolonged consolidation phase. AI XRP new news update. Pro-crypto attorney John Deaton has defended XRP again, this time comparing the payment token to a cockroach due to its resilience. Responding to a CoinDesk video on XRP's trading volume, Deaton stated that XRP has maintained stronger resilience than most cryptocurrencies, despite being called names such as banker's coin, shitcoin, or security. Deaton argued that even in the face of a nuclear war, XRP would still survive. XRP has faced challenges, including being delisted by major exchanges and sold off by some investors due to the ongoing legal battle between Ripple and the SEC over its status as a security. However, XRP's current outlook is positive. Many experts have made bullish projections for XRP's future. AI XRP new news update. Pro-crypto attorney John Deaton, who represents XRP coin holders in the legal battle between Ripple and the US SEC, has praised the cryptocurrency's resilience, stating that even a nuclear war won't kill it. Deaton made the comments in response to CoinDesk's coverage of XRP's increasing dominance and trading volume in South Korea. XRP has faced criticism from industry leaders and regulators, but has still managed to post gains, with its most recent rally seeing a 60% increase in 2 weeks. Despite a recent slowdown, XRP still maintains a 12.48% gain in the past week, making it the highest gainer among the top 20 assets. AI XRP new news update. Ripple's chief legal officer, Stuart Alderoty, has expressed his concerns about the cryptocurrency industry's approach to regulation, calling for a more responsible and proactive stance. He criticized leaders in the industry for their initial statements on the regulation of cryptocurrencies and emphasized the weight of their words, even for senior bureaucrats who are not elected officials. Alderoty's remarks highlight the need for clear and consistent regulatory guidelines to foster innovation while protecting investors. Recently, Ripple CEO Brad Garlinghouse also criticized the Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, chairman, Gary Gensler, for asserting his authority to determine what constitutes security instead of deferring to the legislation that grants power to the SEC. Garlinghouse urged elected officials in the US to pay closer attention to the issue. Alderoty also cautioned cryptocurrency leaders to be careful about joining Massachusetts Senator Elizabeth Warren's campaign against cryptocurrency and reminded politicians of her lack of success in her presidential campaign, implying that her views on cryptocurrency may need to be fully informed. Ripple and the SEC are currently involved in a 2-year legal battle, but a top Ripple executive remains confident in their chances of winning the case. The executive cites a recent court opinion that rejected the SEC's expert views on XRP while allowing Ripple's experts to remain involved as evidence of their favorable position. AI XRP new news update. John Deaton, a pro-crypto lawyer and legal representative for XRP holders, has argued that if Satoshi Nakamoto had offered to sell 100,000 BTC for $100,000 when he was the only or one of the only Bitcoin miners, it would have been considered an offer of unregistered securities. Deaton believes that the term investment contract, used by regulators to define some cryptocurrencies, is one of the most misunderstood terms in law, and that the Howey test used to define a security is just as misapplied. He argues that for the cryptocurrency itself, it does not matter how it was distributed, as the method of distribution does not make the asset itself a security. Deaton concludes that if we follow the logic promoted by regulators, it would appear that every altcoin is a security at the time of its distribution, citing Bitcoin as an example. AI XRP new news update. Gold prices are up moderately in early US trading on Monday, supported by higher crude oil prices. April gold was last up $9.20 at $1,978.10, while May silver is down $0.056 at $24.10. The OPEC Plus announcement of a surprise cut in collective crude oil production by just over 1 million barrels a day is the primary reason for the boost in gold prices. The cut has raised the possibility of higher inflation in the coming months, which could force central banks to keep interest rates higher for longer. On the other hand, global stock markets were mixed overnight, and US stock indexes are set for mixed openings. AI XRP new news update. On your screen is today's summary of the technical indicators for XRP, based on 11 oscillator indicators and 15 moving averages indicators. Out of the 11 oscillator indicators, 0 recommends selling XRP, 9 are neutral, and 2 recommends buying XRP. Meanwhile, out of the 15 moving averages indicators, only 1 recommends selling XRP, 1 is neutral, and 13 recommend buying XRP. Based on these indicators, the overall sentiment towards XRP appears to be bullish, with 1 of the combined number of indicators recommending a sell, 10 of the combined indicators being neutral and 15 of the combined number of indicators suggesting that it is a good time to buy XRP. However, it's important to note that technical indicators are not always reliable and should be used in conjunction with other forms of analysis before making any investment decisions. AI XRP new news update. If you look at the screen of your device now, you will see a Bitfinex chart of the XRP USD trading pair on the TradingView charting platform. The featured chart uses historical daily price cycles to provide expected future price pivot dates for XRP USD. It is important to note that this chart should be used in conjunction with your preferred technical indicators to maximize accuracy. Buy and sell signals from your preferred technical indicators will most likely be triggered on or near the price pivot prediction dates. This chart is updated daily in our videos so that you can watch in real time the accuracy of the prediction method. However, it's important to exercise caution and consider the inherent risks and volatility of cryptocurrency trading before making any investment decisions. Here are the future price pivot prediction dates for the XRP USD trading pair. Be aware, this charting method does not predict price. Instead, it predicts price action. In addition, there is a one-candle window of error on either side of a specific price prediction date on the chart. This means, the actual pivot may come one candle before a specific prediction date or one candle after the prediction date. Now for the dates to look out for: Sunday, April 2, 2023, Sunday, April 9, 2023, and Monday, April 10, 2023. This completes the AI XRP new news updates video. Thank you for visiting the AI for Us 2 channel. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel for more updates and insights into crypto and finance.